Hi, everyone. Let's talk about how to build a website for a yoga teacher. It's really simple and easy to do with Mighty Sites. Just takes a couple minutes, and you can have a simple professional website for your yoga teacher business or just for your own personal use. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So let me share my screen. And the first thing I'm going to do is go to mightysites.com and either click on Start Free Trial or Launch, or I can scroll down right here and I can find Yoga Teacher or Yoga Instructor, which is the template that I'm going to use today. So I'm going to jump right over here to my other screen. I have a back end. I'm going to click on Yoga Instructor. All right. So click on Yoga Instructor. And the first thing it's going to do in the process of building my yoga teacher website, it's going to ask me for my business information or my name. So I've got my name here. Let's just say, call it Keegan Yoga Instruction. Okay. And then I'm going to put Denver, Colorado, and type of business. I could either put service or other. I'm probably going to do service because a yoga teacher offers a service. You usually will teach a class or teach a private group, things like that. So I'm going to put service and click continue. And I could just put my name for company name too. That's fine. And what happens next is that Mighty Sites automatically generates a simple professional website for yoga teachers. So you can see as I scroll down here that there are images which are all licensed for me to use on my template. There is some basic information, pre-written copy in here to just help you get started on writing a little bit about yourself. But again, there's all these images here that you can use for the site. Or of course, you can feel free to delete these and add website or images that you'd like of yourself or your studio or your practice, which we highly encourage you to do. So the first thing that you might want to do when you reach the site is update the information. So you just click on update section for any section you want to update, and you can update your name, email, phone number, address if you want to put in the address of your studio, social media links. So if you put in your social media links, they'll populate right here. I'm just going to click save and close, and you can see my social media links have populated over here. As I scroll down, I can update this image, just simple and easy. Click on update, browse, and update my image there. You can update the menu, add new menu items, change things around. Super easy to save and update. I can even change the colors of the site. So just depending on what type of theme you want to go with, what type of feel you want for your website, you can click through, and there are tons of different color themes and color sets in here that'll help give you the right look and feel for how you want the website to look for you and your customers. So you can see I can just click through and kind of pick one that feels like the right template for me. Once I click that, I click save, and there will be more and more colors and templates added all the time. So you can click through. Once you're to a place where you're happy with the text too, I can show you that. So if I want to quickly edit the text, just come in here. This yoga teacher website template is my new website, right? So you can just simply type things in there. I can save it and click close, and you can see it shows up right there. If I want to delete that, super easy to do. I can just delete the text right there, click save and close, and now that text is gone. I can also update any of these links or buttons. So if I want contact us, let's just say I want that to automatically click to call. I can do click to call, and as soon as I put my phone number in, then when people are visiting this website on mobile, they click on that button, it'll automatically call me if that's my cell phone or my business line. I can link to anywhere else on the website. I can link to another website. I can upload a PDF. Whatever I want to do with those buttons is just fine, and makes it really easy to edit and navigate the site. So once everything, last thing I'll talk about right here, people often want to get in touch with yoga teachers. You can put your email in there, or you can just use this handy contact form so people can come in, fill in their name, email, phone, and message, and send a message. It'll come right directly to the back end of the site, and it'll alert you that you have a new message. So once that's all set, then you can click over here on stop editing, and you can return to the site dashboard. And if you ever want to get back to update your site, you just click here on update your Mighty site, and it brings you right back to your yoga teacher website template. If I go back to the dashboard, I can connect a custom domain. So if you own your own domain name through GoDaddy, domain.com, Google Domains, anything like that, you paste it in here, and then there's a simple set of instructions to get it connected. As soon as people start messaging you through your website, you'll have them all right here. You'll have a nice little dashboard. to see everybody's contact information. You can update your social media links or update your location here. The great news is this is only $9 a month, is the cheapest, most affordable website builder for yoga teachers. So essentially you put in the web hosting, the yoga teacher website template, the front end editor, all of those images, the pre-written copy, and a secure certificate. So your website has that little lock on it. So it's a secure website for you and your students. That's all included for the $9 a month. So it's a really great deal, super affordable platform. And once you are done editing and ready to go, you just simply subscribe for $9 a month. And now you have a simple professional website for your yoga teacher's business, whether you have a studio, you do private lessons, but it helps get you underway and get more students for yoga teachers.